Now it's time to update data in database. See this delete route that we created in previous lesson to delete item from database? Update data is similar. So we can just copy this route and duplicate it. And instead of app.delete, we're gonna app.put. To update data, you have put and patch. Put and patch are both HTTP methods for updating resources, but they behave differently. Put for full update and patch for partial update. Partial update meaning update only specific fields. For example, if you want to update only count in stock or POC name. So patch for partial update and put for full update. So we're gonna use here put, not patch. And later in e-commerce app, we're gonna use patch in some cases. Now here's the first change. Instead of delete, we're gonna just make it put. The second change, this deleted block, we're gonna rename it updated block. And instead of find by ID and delete, we're gonna make it find by ID and update. So instead of this delete, we're gonna make it update. And this find by ID and update is a method that takes three things. The first thing is the ID, and this is referred to ID of the document. I mean the ID of block that you want to update. The second thing is request.body, and it's the new data that you want to update. And also, if you want to return the new value, we're gonna just add this third property. New, we're gonna make it true to return it with the updated bug, not the old bug. Okay, now let's change also this message. Instead of bug deleted successfully, we're gonna make it bug updated successfully and return with it the updated bug like this. Now let's try our put request to update the bug. So here, let's go to our postman and let's create a new request. We're gonna name it update bug. And now we're gonna select put and we're gonna add the URL. Here is the URL. And after it, we're gonna add some ID. Let's take any ID, for example, this first bug. We're gonna take the ID of it. So we're gonna pass it here and we're gonna press here on the body to send the body in the request. We're gonna select row.json. Let's take the body from here, from this post request, and paste it here. Now the book name, we want to make it updated bug, and the count, let's make it 60. Now let's press send. Now we got this message, book updated successfully. And here's the new updated bug. And if you go to get book list, now if you press send, look, we got here the updated bug with count in stock is 60. Let's try to update this last book here. So let's take the ID of it and go here and let's name it updated bug 2. And the count, we're gonna make it 100. Now let's press send and let's go to get list of bugs again. Now look, updated bug 2 and the count is 100. Now you've covered the CRUD operations. Put for update, delete for delete, get for reading the data, and post for creating data in database.